How to enable dark mode on IMO. Tired of a bright screen? This guide shows you how to enable dark mode on IMO so you can chat in a dark environment. First, open the IMO app and tap on your profile picture on the bottom right of the screen. This will open the side menu, also known as the Me page. Here you can see your profile and other settings. You have two options to enable dark mode. The first is to look for a moon icon at the top of the Me page. Tapping on this will immediately switch to dark mode, just like this. The second option is to go to settings and then display mode and then select dark mode. You can also set up the app to follow your phone's system settings. In the display menu, you can select auto. This will make the app automatically switch to dark mode when your iPhone is in dark mode. It's a great way to save your iPhone's battery. You now know how to enable dark mode on IMO. Get ready to chat in a dark environment. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.